Hi friends, in this video we are learning how to assign single tap for play and pause media files or media in your Oneplus Buds 3R. Okay, simply connect your Oneplus Buds, then download application from Play Store. Application name is Hey Melody. You can see here this is the application. You can simply see here. Then open that application. Then you need to connect this device. It is very easy. You can simply connect that. After connecting, I will show you how to connect it. You can see here. And after connecting that, go to earbuds controls. Then you can see here two controls is left and right. Then you can simply choose which side of the earbuds, left or right. Okay, normally I choose right side because I am right-handed person. So you can see here there is single tap right earbud. Select that, then you can choose only two options. One is none, second one is play and pause, and simply choose play and pause. So in this way you can simply assign that. If you single tap on your right side earbud, then the playing media file will be stop or playing. It will be applicable for like YouTube, other applications, Spotify, any media file playing on your phone media players. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replacements video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.